Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Starnes, and here are a few additional points about trademark research that I'd like to discuss with you. First is the Trademark Official Gazette. It's published by and available on the United States Patent and Trademark Office website. It's updated every Tuesday and contains bibliographic information and a representative drawing for each mark published. It also provides a list of canceled and renewed registrations. Prior issues back through 2013 are available, with the ability to download issues prior to that through their archives. The next resource I'd like to show you is ICANN, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Essentially, ICANN works to make sure that the Internet functions for everyone all over the world. Computers coordinate and work with each other through numbers, and the domain name system has given names to these numbers, so it's easier for us to know. It also keeps track of registered domain names, so that way multiple people cannot use the same name or even similar names. Notice how sometimes you may mistype Google, but yet it still directs you to the correct site? That's ICANN at work, making sure you're getting where you need to go. Next, I'd like to draw your attention to the government website StopFakesgov. It provides intellectual property rights information and assistance. Intellectual property theft has an incredibly adverse effect as it stifles innovation, slows economic growth, and weakens the competitiveness of U.S. employers. The U.S. government uses this website to help enforce intellectual property rights in both the United States and internationally. Trademarks are generally territorial, and steps must be taken to ensure that a trademark registered here in the United States is also protected all over the world. So this leads me to our next website, the World Intellectual Property Association. It allows for discussion of global intellectual property services, policy, information, and cooperation. As an agency of the United Nations, it currently has 191 member states. On WIPO's website is the Madrid system, which helps those register for their trademarks internationally. Although there are 191 member states, filing through the Madrid system will only provide protection in 117 countries. The system will support you through the life cycle of the trademark, including application and renewal, searching for existing trademarks before application, how to file internationally, and how to manage it once it's been registered. Also on WIPO's website is the NICE classification system, known as the NCL. It is an international classification of goods and services for trademark applications. Each registration of a trademark has to fit within one of 45 categories, including things such as clothing, footwear, and headgear, or musical instruments. Using this classification list will expedite the registration process. Next, I'd like to bring your attention to the United States Patent and Trademark Office website. There's a wealth of information available on here, but I'd like to specifically point out that you can file for a trademark online with a trademark electronic application system. The USPTO provides information on how to electronically file a trademark application and provides step-by-step instructions, including any necessary forms. Last, I'd like to discuss how to access trademark information on both Westlaw and Lexis. On Westlaw, on the homepage, click on Intellectual Property from the homepage itself. This will lead you to information on all intellectual property. Be sure to click on Trademark so it will take you to information relating specifically to just trademarks. It provides information on federal, state, and international trademarks, including administrative information such as filing, past and current cases, and secondary sources like forms. You also have the ability for advanced searching, including specific document fields like the party name, docket number, or attorney. Lexis is very similar. On the home page, click on Intellectual Property. It takes you to a page where you can search for patents, trademarks, or copyrights. By clicking on All U.S. and International Trademark Registration, it allows you to search for federal, state, and international registrations all at once. However, on both Lexis and Westlaw, be careful as errors do happen. Be sure to double check and compare the information you found to what's available on the USPTO website.